Mystique Tent, a small home where cozy living meets modern elegance in a beautifully designed compact space, perfect for those who appreciate simplicity without compromising on style. This home is crafted to offer a seamless blend of functionality and aesthetics. Whether you're looking for a serene retreat or a practical yet inviting living space, Mystique Small Home is built to bring comfort and convenience together. With smart design elements that maximize space and natural lighting that Baluchon Flamenco, a tiny home that embodies both elegance and efficiency, designed for those who seek a harmonious blend of style and functionality in a compact space. With its sleek wooden exterior and thoughtfully crafted interior, this tiny house offers an inviting atmosphere complemented by modern amenities that maximize comfort. Inside, you'll find a bright and spacious living area, a well-equipped kitchen, and a cozy lofted bedroom, all designed to create a warm and relaxing retreat. The Flamenco is perfect for sustainable living, featuring eco-friendly materials and smart space-saving solutions that enhance everyday convenience. Baluchon Nano, the ultimate compact solution for everyday preparedness, designed to bring convenience and safety into your living space. Whether you're facing small emergencies, unexpected repairs, or simply need essential tools within reach, this ultra-portable kit ensures you're always ready. With its sleek design and carefully curated essentials, Baluchon Nano Home is perfect for households that value efficiency and smart organization. Stay prepared, stay confident, and keep life running smoothly with Baluchon Nano. Crawler OTAG 385 Luxury Edition, where rugged durability meets refined elegance, redefining off-road adventure with premium comfort. Designed to conquer the most extreme terrains, this luxury caravan boasts a reinforced suspension system, a sleek yet robust exterior, and cutting-edge technology that ensures a smooth and reliable journey. Inside, it's a masterpiece of craftsmanship, featuring high-end leather seating, a fully equipped kitchen, and a smart space-saving layout that exudes sophistication. Whether you're navigating rocky trails or immersing yourself in breathtaking landscapes, the OTAG 385 provides a sanctuary of comfort with advanced climate control, state-of-the-art entertainment, and top-tier connectivity. Gervasuti, a remarkable feat of modern architecture and engineering, designed to provide a secure and comfortable refuge for mountaineers facing the extreme conditions of high-altitude terrain. Perched on a cliff in the Mont Blanc region, this innovative alpine shelter combines functionality with a sleek, futuristic design, offering breathtaking panoramic views while ensuring safety in harsh weather. Built with durable materials to withstand snow, wind, and freezing temperatures, it features solar-powered energy systems and a well-organized interior that maximizes space efficiency. Whether serving as a temporary haven for climbers or a scientific research station, the Gervasuti shelter redefines outdoor living by blending technology, sustainability, and adventure in one extraordinary structure. Huga A Sanctuary for those seeking comfort and style. Designed with a blend of modern aesthetics and cozy vibes, it offers a welcoming space where relaxation meets functionality. Whether you're looking for a peaceful retreat or a vibrant hub for creativity, Huga HomeSpot has everything you need to feel at home. From carefully curated decor to an ambience that sparks inspiration, this spot is more than just a place, it's an experience. Step inside and discover the warmth, charm, and unique atmosphere that makes Huga HomeSpot truly special. Jude Tiny Home. Welcome to Jude Tiny Home, where simplicity meets modern design in the perfect balance of comfort and functionality. This compact yet stylish home is designed to maximize space without compromising on aesthetics, offering a cozy retreat with smart, innovative features that make tiny living a dream. From its thoughtfully crafted interiors to its sustainable and efficient layout, Jude Tiny Home redefines small space living with elegance and practicality. Whether you're looking for a minimalist escape or an eco-friendly lifestyle, this tiny home is a testament to how less can truly be more. OD Golden House, where luxury, elegance, and modern design come together to create an extraordinary living experience. This stunning architectural masterpiece is designed for those who seek sophistication and comfort, offering world-class amenities and breathtaking interiors that redefine contemporary living. Every corner of OD Golden House is crafted with precision, from its grand entrance to its beautifully detailed spaces that exude warmth and style.